How to fix TikTok payment problem. Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you guys what you can do if you are facing some issues on your TikTok's payment. So first thing you do is open up your TikTok app. Just make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you're logged in, you can tap on the profile icon at the bottom right. And then from here, tap on the three lines at the top right. Simply tap on the balance option, and if you don't see balance here, you will find it on your settings option. Now, once you do that, just head over to balance. And if you have any balance available here, you can withdraw your balance, which would look something like this. So if you tap on the card, it will show you the withdraw option, so you can withdraw it. But if you're facing issue with this, the first thing you do is see if the app is up to date. Tap on Play Store, search for TikTok, and see if there is an update button here. If the update is available, just make sure that the app is up to date. Now, the next step is to actually go back and long press on the app, tap on the I button that you see here. Then what you can do is simply go ahead and scroll down until you find storage and then clear cache. If you want, you could also try to clear all of its data, but it will delete basically everything. So once you have done that, just go back and restart your phone and see if that fixes the problem. Then go ahead and open up your TikTok and see if that fixes it. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. I'll catch you on the next one.